Hey there, corporate misfits, and welcome to the series Mastering Kajabi in 21 Days. I'm so excited to share with you about how you can use Kajabi in your online coaching, your course creation, or membership business so that you can build a life of freedom and stop trading time for money. So if you are new around here, my name is Brittany Darrington, and I'm the founder of the Corporate Misfit community, and I help women to build their online business using platforms like Kajabi so that they can automate, create sales with ease, and ultimately build their courses and coaching business and sharing their expertise with their tribe. So in this series, we're going to talk all about how to use Kajabi inside and out, the perks of using Kajabi, and how it can really change your life. So if you have not tried out Kajabi yet, I do have a trial which supports this channel, and also you can get some amazing resources such as landing pages that we have designed for you, such as sales pages, thank you pages, opt-in, and also some registration and tripwire pages. In addition to that, you can get access to our mini training, which is our beta launch club, which allows you to learn how to launch an online course or a coaching business in just 30 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into what we're going to talk about in today's lesson. We're talking all about how you can start selling your course online so you can generate some money using Kajabi. So one thing that I see happen often with a lot of new course creators and coaches is that they feel like they have to have the whole shebang completed before they can start selling. That means the website, the funnels, the offers, the sales pages, the onboarding, the emails, the lead magnet. Whew. That list goes on for days. And ultimately, if you find yourself feeling overwhelmed, well, this is very common because there are so many moving parts to get your program up and going and out into the world. But I want to share a quick way for you to get out into the world in no time without having to be stressed out, because the great news is if you can start generating revenue in your business and getting your content out into the world, well, you can go back and build some of these different features that you want to have within your business. So the first thing you could do so you can start generating revenue is create a sales page. A sales page will allow you to be able to share about the product you're looking to provide to the world and ultimately ask if you would like to move forward through pricing. Now, the second thing you want to do is create an offer. So an offer is where you're going to put, if it's going to be a one-time offer, if it's going to be multiple payments, a subscription, things along those lines, but it allows you to be able to collect payment from your audience and get them into your course. Now, after they actually pay and buy, you need to have a product for them to go to. So you need to create your digital asset, and Kajabi makes it super easy for you to create a mini course so that you can get up and going in no time. Now, the great thing about a mini course is that it could be really short. It might be 30 minutes. It might even be just 3 lessons chopped into bite-sized pieces, but your ultimate goal is to create a result for a single pain point that your customer may be experiencing. You want to help them go from A to B, and you can provide more services in the future, but just getting them to this place will allow you to be able to start helping them in no time. So if you're not comfortable with creating a course, or maybe a course is not something you're able to quickly do right now, another thing you can do is an audio series. This is a great way for you to start selling in no time. Maybe you can just record as if you're doing a podcast and share about the steps you need to take and help someone to be able to take action so that then after they walk away from your mini course, they feel confident and they're excited to conquer this pain point that they've been experiencing. Now, after you go through that, you'll need to have an onboarding email sequence. This will allow you to continue to develop a relationship with your customer so that when you are ready to offer larger courses or coaching programs or other services, this will allow you to be able to connect with them and be able to build upon what you've already created. Now, I like to call this beta, and this is a great way for you to get used to making programs such as audio courses, membership memberships, things like that. It just helps you to get started, but then it also helps you to get excited about marketing and sharing your products and services with the world. I see so many people who have such amazing talents and so much great information and knowledge that they could share with the world, but they get so scared and bogged down with all of the other things that have to take place in order for you to get your business out into the world, and then they just give up. The world never sees what it is that they had to offer. Instead, they keep it all inside and they never share what it is that could have made a difference to help someone overcome some of the pain points that they were experiencing. So if you want to start making money on Kajabi and also serve your audience with the utmost value and really be able to help them take all those pain points that they've been experiencing and walk them through how they can get past some of these roadblocks, then you definitely want to go ahead and create that mini course, create the sales page, create your offer, and get that email onboarding sequence in place so that you can set this up in no time. Now, you can always go back and tweak things if need be, but the really great part about doing a mini course or a mini workshop is that you can either do it live, you can have it pre-recorded, and it won't take more than an hour. That whole portion right there just takes an hour to do, hopefully, and then you can put it out into the world. So I want to challenge you to go ahead and start creating your mini course or your mini audio series or whatever it may be. It could be PDFs and things along those lines, but I want you to start creating it. I want you to get your sales page up, get your offer set up in Kajabi, and also get your email sequence so that you don't waste time falling into some of the things that can wait and you can build after you start selling into the world. All right, corporate misfits, I can't wait to see what you accomplish, and let me know if you're looking to do a mini course, an audio, or even a PDF bundle. Thanks so much for watching this video, and make sure you access your trial to Kajabi and those free amazing resources that we have for you, such as the pre-designed landing pages and the mini course on how to launch your first course in just 30 days. Okay, I'll see you in some of the upcoming videos.